Welcome Algebra 2. Today I'm going to write a video on how to solve a square root function. So let's say that we have f of x is equal to the square root of x plus 4 minus 2. And I tell you to solve f of x when I tell you to solve when f of x equals, let's say 4. All right, so I'll tell you to solve when f of x equals 4. So basically what I'm telling you is when your y value is 4, what is your x value? So when your y value is 4, what is your x value? So if we set this up, we're going to take the 4 and plug it in for y. So we're going to get 4 is equal to x plus 4 minus 2. So what do we do to get rid of the minus 2? I want to undo any addition or subtraction. Well, we add 2 to both sides. We're going to get that 6 is equal to the square root of x plus 4. Now at this point here, I feel like a lot of us kind of got stumped. We were unsure what to do. And one of the things I want to talk about is whenever you had a problem like this, let's say x squared is equal to 4, what would you do to get rid of the square? Well, you took the square root, right? And we got that the square root was equal to 2. It should also be that x is equal to negative 2. All right, remember we're talking about quadratic equations. We're going to get 2 solutions. But let's just stick with what you know for now. So let's say x equals 2. Because this cancels up here, right? So if you want to undo, let's go back, let's relook at this. All right, so this is very similar to if I gave you a problem like x squared is equal to 4. What would you do to undo the square? Well, you would take the square root. And the square root will cancel out and give you your answer here, which was 2. So if this time, instead of giving you, if the square root cancels out the square, what are we going to do here? Well, we want to cancel out the square root. So we're going to square both sides. Alright, so we're going to get 6 squared is equal to, these are going to cancel just like it did over on this section, and we're going to get x plus 4. Alright, what's 6 squared? That's 36 is equal to x plus 4. We subtract 4 to both sides. And finally, we're going to get that x is equal to 32. And that is my answer. That's my solution. I'm done with this problem. And we started off with a pretty complicated one right up here. All right. I hope that helps to understand how to solve